bliss. This bike is bliss. Yo, what's up everybody? Back at AMS Ducati Dallas. We are demoing the Ducati Scrambler 1100. I want to say this is a special, I think, because the Sport has the O-leans. Okay, this bike already feels dumb light. It ain't even moving yet. But this is kind of distracting. Okay. Okay, I am super upright. Like dinner table chair upright. So that makes it super extra super squared comfortable. Like I'm just sitting up. Initial impressions: clutch pull is very light, strong rear brake bite, strong front brake bite. Huge mirrors. Mirrors are freaking fantastic. Oh my goodness. Can see everything behind me. Okay, we get the signature V-twin Ducati rumble, but it's more subdued. It's not really loud. So it's like a nice compromise between monster, Panigale loud, you know. This is a more civilized, tame loud. Zero vibrations. I'm on a V-twin, zero vibrations. Nothing in the handlebars, grips, nothing in the foot pegs, nothing in the seat. Silky smooth. Engine feels strong, peppy and strong, but not fast, like if you know what I mean. Sure, this bike is in first. I didn't get that familiar first gear clunk that you normally do when you put a bike in first. The dash is modern retro. I just would have thought for what you pay for one of these, you get a full color dash, but to each his own. It's still nice though. You can see everything. You get a gear indicator. Oh, there we go. Man, the torque on this bike just tries to yank you off the back of it. Cool, that's too cool. Let's turn you up a little bit, guy. Yeah, okay. seat is comfortable. You can flat foot this bike easily. It's not cruiser low, but it's a seems like it's a little bit taller than your standard naked bike height. I'm really trying to make my mind up on a second bike in a year or two, because I'm keeping my Monster 21, but I was wanting a sport bike. Oh, very nice F100. Yes. Now you're not gonna get a super high red line with this bike at all, obviously. So I think I hit the soft rev limit around 8 grand, but it's not bad though. Okay, this bike does not do that. Okay, this is the first. Normally when you put a bike in first, you know, you get that really, what is it, self-assuring hard clunk in the first. That's how you know you're in first on most bikes. This bike does not do that. It slips right in the first, softly and quietly, like, yeah, I'm going right on in, no problems. It's not dramatic, it slips right in the first. I don't know if I like that or not yet. we gotta see, Dude, this is just a super chill bike. Like, no drama. It's not too loud, not too quiet, just chill. Still thinking about this bike. Like, if you're in the market for a naked, do check this bike out, but at the same time still try a Monster, because that Monster is going to give you more character. Like, you're going to get more personality, you're going to get bite, you're going to get crackles, you're going to get backfires, you're going to get all of the little emotional things you need in a motorcycle. Well, the emotional things I need in a motorcycle. Man, this bike feels so light. You just point it and it goes. Wherever you want to go, just point it. Okay, something that I'm really liking. Okay, with this Scrambler style bike, like the seating position, when you start getting on it, you take like a, what is it, a reverse hunched over cruiser sport bike type kind of position. It works. It's like, instead of leaning forward like this, you kind of lean back a little bit, you kind of tuck your head down, and it's, oh yeah. Bliss. This bike is bliss. Don't mean to be so quiet, guys, but this bike is just, it's chill and relaxing. You just zone in and enjoy the ride. Suspension is mint. The bike is just comfortable, like soaks up all the bumps, no problems. Just glide right on over them. Shoot, how long did I take?